So guys, Eddie, now we're doing the water. Eddie's a bit scared about it, alright? And we're going to do the water over here instead of on the grass. And guys, I'm just gonna try and get Eddie back in a minute, yeah. So guys, now we're gonna do it. Eddie, 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 look at me, look at Mama. Eddie, Eddie. You happy, Eddie? Happy, Eddie? You're a happy Eddie. Happy Eddie. So I think, guys, that Eddie found that quite annoying. So, well, at least it keeps him cool in the sun. As you can see, it's very sunny today. Well, it's kind of cloudy over there. Cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny. And it's very hot here in the UK anyway. So, yeah. Eddie was definitely not happy with that. He's still got the angry eye. 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 Eddie's retired, I think. Eddie! Eddie! Are you going to do this video or not? Eddie! Anyway, guys, I'll get the next thing ready and let's start doing it. Oh, Eddie's awake now. Eddie! Eddie, Bubbles! 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 Eddie! 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 Do you see Bubbles? See Bubbles? Bubbles! Eddie's just running. I think Eddie's kind of scared of them. Eddie! Eddie, come! Eddie, come! Eddie, come! Hide the bubbles! Eddie, do you like the bubbles? So I guess Eddie really likes bubbles, but he was a bit scared at the start. So guys,